if you're looking at price patterns, we have a couple things going on, right? We have a zone here. We have this zone. Let's make it pink. So we have this pink area here, right? We had this topping pattern. We had a breakdown of the topping pattern that came down to a price pattern target, which is here. So short term, this move makes really good sense on the SPX, right? It's very technical. Again, we had this pink zone here. We had a breakdown from that zone. We tested the bottom, the price pattern target. We came back up to a little bit past the center, so a little bit stronger than expected from that point. Realistically, this is a zone. And this can be seen as an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which if it breaks to the upside, would break to new highs. We can set a new price pattern here, you know, up a little bit higher than what the previous highs are. And if we bounce and then break down from that, that's going to be bearish, and we're expecting a continued down move from a short-term point there. So that is, you know, one of the ways that I'll look at it. You have ABC reversals. There's a lot of different ways to look at technical analysis.